What is happening, fam? What is happening? What's happening? Welcome back to the show. As always, we try to do this token analysis for all of you. It's quite simple. We jump on here after the show on Crypto Live, and you tell us what token you want us to analyze, and we simply analyze them. So that's exactly what we're going to do now as well. Bubbles are doing great. I'm monitoring the comment here. I see a lot of you here. That's incredible. But I committed one mistake. That I'm monitoring the comment here because we need to do this checks as well again because I didn't pull in the comment section. So let me just do that here very quick. Let me just do that very quick, and then it's gonna be good. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Publish. Here we go. Here we go. Publish. Back to library. Here we go. Heck yeah! People are happy. Happy that we're here. We're happy to be here. We're happy to be here. I have about 15 minutes because I have to jump onto the roundtable on Mariana Falls. Crypto Town Hall, Mariana Falls, 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏. I'm very happy to be there. So we're going to do that today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's just jump into it. Present again. Great. Let's go. Sigma. I don't know what Sigma is, but let's go. It's a meme coin. Can I see Sigma? It's nowhere to be found, so that's 1 out of 0.
You can find it on the next screen. Right?
Okay, I'm not interested. DOGE. Let's go DOGE. Also, guys, please smash the like button. You know the drill. It does help the channel, and of course, it does help you. Higher. Let me see this. So again, like most of the structures are broken, but this is the time to buy on most of these tokens. There are better and worse tokens. One is that I'm looking at on DOGE's very similar approach. It's very difficult to identify where the high is. The high is probably up here at like 35 cents. This is where I shorted it and I closed it, but 35 cents. Now, if we're targeting 35, it's way too late. It's going to be a 25% pump before you realize that you should get into long position. So this is why it's kind of like, for you to confirm the higher time frame direction of the market, you should wait. But if you want to obviously be participating in the market, you should wait, in my opinion, to take a position down here. 24.3-ish would be the region. I would want to see a higher high in DOGE and a move higher. Until then, as you see here, this is literally just coming down on the lower time frame structure. It's literally just coming down on the 15-minute. You will see it much better. It's literally just coming down. It had a push, comes back down lower, high, low, and at some point it breaks above. If it would break above the 27.6, you could also consider taking it. The reason why I wouldn't, because it didn't come back 50. What else do we have here?
Read the long message.
Hi, Fefe. I made great mistake on long Manta instead of Mantra a while ago. Now sitting 9% down on 2x. Can you check if Manta will ever recover, please? My entry was 0.76. Also, I'm going to put in here, I think we should do this. I'm going to put in a new meeting link, cause and then you can just get people up here. Like we have this studio set up here, and then you can literally just come in here and talk to us if you want. Let me just pull this in here. Let me just get the link for you, and then you can just come up and then we can just have a chat as well. Just pull this in here. Bam. All right, so cause it's gonna just pin it here. Okay, it's gonna be pinned here, and then you will be able to join in. Manta, let's go. I mean, for you to be down 90% on 2x, you should have it should be 940. What is it? It should be 45%. Damn, son. What the freak happened with this? From like January down 70%, right? Yeah, so your entry is most likely around here, right? So your entry is most likely at around these regions, around the 60-ish region. Very difficult to say if it will come back or not. A very similar pattern that would look like. A lot of times, this hurts a lot. But a lot of times what you have to know is that a lot of times when you have massive losing positions because you made mistakes, like you bought the wrong token because you thought it was Mantra, but it's actually Manta, and then it's down. A lot of times you're waiting for it to come back to break even to make the money back, but this token going back to break even will yield you the same results if you long something now that goes 30%. So it's always better to actually bet on the relative strength of the tokens, cut the loss, even though it feels like it's a cut of the loss. But in general, in the grand scheme of things, you're going to put that money back into something that is most likely going to recover. If you look at AI agents, for example, they recovered 100%. So you might want to take your loss, cut it, and put it into something that is well with the narrative. waiting for a token like this to recover when you actually don't even believe in it and it's not even what you wanted to buy in the first place is just not a great thing to do. I do think it's going to go down to the 37 cent though, if that helps. I don't know if that helps, but that's what I'm looking at. Based AI, let's go based AI. Why is based AI not listed on all these other exchanges? I can't analyze based AI, but I'm bullish. I hold it on spots. What is all with all these small tokens? Ohm, let's go Ohm. The thing with Ohm is that they have a massive amount of cash to buy, you know? So, I mean, it's horrible in terms of this is going to be one of the biggest shorts ever. I mean, yeah, it did have a flush. What, like, did this really bounce? Like, yeah, I mean, it's probably going to go higher. The only reason why I don't want to play with this is because they have cash to buy this. If it comes back to 50, just like as it did here, yes, hell yeah, let's buy into it and see where it goes. It has clear invalidations. And you see here as well, I always tell you, if it takes liquidity and it has a higher high, you can long. Look at this. Took liquidity, has a higher high, long. This would have been, if you paid attention here, it's 42% pump from there. Same scenario here. Look at this. You have a liquidation, you have a higher high here, and then a pump. It's the same scenario. If it comes back down to the 5.3-ish region, yes, I will long it because I think it's a great place to long, but also be aware that it's going up because they have a lot of money to buy the treasury, to buy the tokens. And also, if you go look at it, it's a pump up and the staircase down. So it looks incredible for another leg up, which could be another 20-30%. It does make sense to start layering into this, but I also think that it can easily fall to 20-30%, which might not even be a bad deal, to be honest with you. Like to take this with proper risk reward up to the $7 region, not that bad of a bet. What else do we have here? RAYDIUM. It's not listed on Bybit, is it really? Relative equal lows down here, RAYDIUM. Again, like I need to see, this you always have to, so now this is not the time to start aping in. Now you have to be very strategic. So what I really want to see is I want to see RAYDIUM come back down to the 5.4-ish region. It come a little bit lower here. This is actually a decent OB, so this is actually a good buy here. But what you really want to look for when it gets to these levels is you want to look for a higher high. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to see it come back into this OB down here. And then you want to make sure that when it comes back down to this OB, you see a higher high on the lower time frame. Okay, so you want to see a higher high on a 15-minute time frame. Currently, if we would just take this example, higher high would be breaking above here. This would be a higher high. Or when it was coming down here, higher high would be up here, going above there. So you always have to see a higher high. And as it comes lower, if you see a higher high, after it touches into this 5.45-ish trillion, 5.45-ish trillion, the fuck am I talking about? $5.45 mark. I'm thinking about total market cap. So that happens. If that happens, that's a great buy in my opinion. FET looks smoked. Let's look at FET. No, not that bad. I mean, on the higher time frame, everything is looking horrible. What? Oh, the merger here. Phew. I mean, this is wild. Wow. Yeah, obviously higher time frame highs up here. Until then, no confirmation. So if we get a high close above here, that's great. Otherwise, it's just still grind up. I do want to see it's building up decent liquidity, so I do want to see it come back to 50. It actually has a decent order block as well. So I would not be surprised that this would yeah, it touched on here. It can break above. It probably is going to flush it out higher high and then move on. Not a bad buy. If you are into FET, not a bad buy at 73, but I don't think this is the trade you should take. There are much better trades. Near. Near, same scenario, very same scenario. I wanted to see it come back 50. Once it comes back 50, it's very close to it. If you're into near, I'm not interested in near, honestly. I don't know. I'm just not interested. If it comes back down to the 3.2-ish, nice. And you see a market structure shift, you can get in there. Otherwise, I would not touch it. Thanks, mate. You're welcome. Share one of your favorite coins. I mean, to what? Favorite coins for what? PENDLE. I mean, this is, look at this. This is actually
Somebody gave us a super chat.
nice. What are they saying? Somebody gave us a super chat.
SHIB. Love your channel.
Yes, will do. Will do. Thank you. Will do. Such a cool thing, hey? Okay, it comes back here. I'll be looking at 2.6-ish. Higher high on the lower time frame. Let's go. Then we do SHIB. Someone asked for SHIB. Thank you for the super chat. Appreciate it. Let's go here. I mean, it's retracing, climbing up slowly. This could be a decent short. I'm not even kidding. What do you say, cuz? Look at this. Beautiful. Retrace. Can break above. Builds up liquidity. Comes back here. It's a beautiful short. Stop loss above. Stop loss above 17.3. What would that be? It's a beautiful short, bruv. I'm telling you. 6%. Beautiful short. Hedge short. I'm looking at this to come lower. So I'm, again, with all the other stuff, I'm looking at this to come down to the SHIB is good short. Noted, please. A hedge short. I might take this. Down here at like 14.6-ish. That would be.
Somebody gave us another super chat.
See a higher high. That would be the region. Somebody gave us another super chat.
It doesn't say anything.
Can I say reply? Oh, look at it. I need to say. How do I? Okay. Thank you so much, CG. Appreciate you. H-bar. 5th super chat on the live stream. That's good. H-bar. Same thing. I analyzed it on the show. Very same thing. It builds up liquidity. Definitely coming down here. 23 cents. Definitely coming down here. I'm actually taking the Shiba short. I'm thinking about this. Now, proper risk management, obviously, but I'm taking this Shiba short. I'll tell you why. So it's I'm thinking the stop loss. Here it is. This is gonna be my Shiba short. It's gonna be a scalp trade. Stop at 17.34. Targeting down here. Targeting at like 14.5. Make sure that if you take this.
CJ who gave us the super chat asking, can you check long entry for ADA for long-term hold?
Yes, we can. But why would you want to long-term hold ADA? Like it's not even. I'm not even joking with this question. Like, why would you? Like, let's get this over with. Like, genuinely, why the freak would you hold ADA for long run? Like, I don't understand.
We did the XRP as well. So.
Brother. And he still has cash to spend on super chats, bro. Don't.
We received another super chat.
Nice, Zeus Network. We're gonna look at it. Hold on, guys. Hold your cash. Hold your cash in your pocket, okay, please. Cuz he's like making billions here already. So I'm gonna take this short. Hold on a second. So that is 6%. I'm gonna go. Obviously, proper risk management. So I calculate what I'm doing now is I calculate if I go 10x, I'll lose 60% of the positions. It's a very easy and fast way to calculate how much cash you want to get into the market with. And I'm taking. Oh my god! I almost took a SUI short, bro. SHIB. Woo! I almost got liquidated. Woo! I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this hedge short on here. Great. Stop loss at 17.340. 0.000017.340. I can't. What? 17.34. Okay, I took this now. I'll keep you posted on my X what happens with this. If anybody, let me know in the chat if you have taken this, please. I just want to know. It's a hedge short, okay? Let me look at ETH as well for a second because I wanted to take the ETH hedge short as well. I'm going to take the ETH hedge short as well. I'm still long, so I'm building up. I didn't close. I closed a little bit of my ETH because it was way too heavy. But now with this hedge short, I think it's gonna get easier. And I have to jump to the thing. Okay. So here it is. What is this on the spot? It's 4% here. So it's 40% of the position. Hedge short. Done. Stop loss at 2,930. Hedge shorts are in on these two, okay? We're gonna update you tomorrow on the on X, of course. Did anyone take these trades? Another super chat. Guys, you can't buy me. Okay, don't send money. I'm telling you, do not send money. Like, I'm genuinely mean it. Can you check long entry for ADA for long-term hold? Why would you hold ADA long-term? Like, honestly. Like, I can, but like, honestly, why? Let me look at this. Beautiful short. That's what I think. Like, why would you, like, look at this. Why would you, what a trade this was. Why would you, like, why would you hold ADA long term? Is there an answer for him? Like, why would you hold ADA for a long term? I don't know. Anyway, long term entry, if you believe this shit is going to recover anywhere here, like, I mean, honestly, worst case scenario, it goes down another 30%. Like, for the 98% it went down, it's nothing. So, no, but I mean, I'm being honest here. It can fill the wick, so I would be looking at like, but if it's a long-term hold, start DCAing in. But down here at like 66 cents, sure. 66 cents could be good. Okay. 66 cents. What else do we have here? Someone was saying Zeus Network. Okay, I can't see it. I can't see it in TradingView. If it's not in TradingView, I'm not analyzing it. Thanks for the 2.5 euros, though. I appreciate it. Okay, what was the other one? Link. Oh my god. Okay, let's see if it's in here. Yeah, let me guess. Altcoin? GRT. GRT. Let's go, GRT. Oh, yes, the GRT. Let me look at it. Look at this. Look at this. I put 2 random lines on the chart and hit it. I thought I was like... Okay, so... Massive liquidity taken. I actually kind of like this chart. Yeah, I actually kind of like this chart. Like, honestly. How did it look higher time frame? I mean, it's down only, bro. It's like... Look at this. Look at this. What happened here? It's just the beginning of December. It's down 70%, brother. Like, if I get a 50% retrace here, oh my god, it's starting now. I have to leave now. I'm jumping onto Crypto Town Hall.
IIV. He asked for IIV as well.
Down here, 50%, 12.6, if any, 12.6. But guys, I have to leave. I have to go. Come on, Fefe. I'm gonna go here. Let me see if it's already on. I'm gonna share my alpha here. This is the place I'm going. Where is it? Look. Okay, let me just pull this up for a second. They should have sent the link. They didn't. Maybe I'm not even invited, bro. I don't know where it is, but I know I'm going to these spaces, but they're going to be a spaces here. I'm usually getting the link when it starts. Do you also feel sick of this like scrolling? Good favor. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but I'm going there. Who will get the mic? What do you mean? What do you mean? Nitro Bunny. Huh? Did you wake up? Should we rep? Yeah. Okay, guys, we have to rep. Who did you learn to trade from? I learned, so I've been here since 2018, right? 2016, I invested. 2018, I traded my way through Asia. Traveled for 8 months, been trading. And then when I got back to the game, I found a guy, shout out to Rain, who opened my eye to a completely different way of trading. And then it's YouTube, bro. Like I spent about a month with Rain going into stuff, and then it's obviously he didn't have more time, and it was just, you know, I had to step up. And YouTube, ICT, a lot of ICT, but a lot of different. The thing is that you will never be able to learn from someone. You will be able to have someone that can open your eye and you can turn back to them. But it's never gonna be someone that teaches you how to trade. It's always gonna be you. You have to like grind your way through, watch 100 people trade, and then make your own strategy. So my strategy is mine now. The way I trade, with my risk management, with my everything else, it's mine. So I can't give a funded account. I'm not giving funded accounts no more. Rocked by town hall. Yeah, exactly. We'll see what happens. Why do you always use the perpetual chart? Because I trade perpetuals. T long term, I don't know. TAI long term. Have a look at Jito after the show, bro. Might be worth a long. What's happening with Jito, cuz? Is there anything worth happening here? Okay, if it's not, we're gonna ban this person from the channel. I'm just joking. Yeah, it's beautiful. Look, it's actually great. Look, it's a very good example. Look, cuz, look. Holy shit. Okay, this guy gets giveaway. Look at this. Once you have, mark my words here. This is actually gonna be a massive freaking long. Once you get a higher high, you can actually start layering in here. It's literally, you can start layering in here. But once you get a higher high, this is a long to take. It's a long to take. Okay, it might come down a little bit lower, but if you get a high, this is a long to take. Very cool. Very, very cool. Fine. Congratulations. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Truly appreciate every single one of you being here, tuning in here. It was literally the show that we promised we're going to do. Just jump on here, analyze the tokens. I think we analyzed like 20 tokens. So yeah, come back for the next one. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and we try to do this more and more often. We're going to have trading education and much more. So yeah, thanks for watching. Truly appreciate you, and I believe I'll see you in the next one. Take care.